everybody, it's Todd here from Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week we're going to the dogs and showing you how to make Doggie Pizza, only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. Foxhole fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. This week, as I said, we're going to the dogs and showing you how to make Doggie Pizza. It's simple, easy, and of course, so good, especially for dogs. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, to start off with our Doggie Pizza here, we're going to go ahead and take some water and some yeast and mix it in a bowl here. I believe we've got about half a cup of warm water here. And how much yeast have we got, Dave?
3/4 of a teaspoon. You don't want to use the whole packet.
Okay. And Howie is actually very excited. He's in the background here crying, so he's ready to be our official taste tester here today. So we're just going to go ahead and mix this up here. And how long are we letting the yeast?
Let's say 3 to 5 minutes.
Yes. Okay, we got the water nice and frothy here. So next up we're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of melted coconut oil. To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. And as I said, in the background you can hear Howie. He's all excited about trying these pizzas. We're going to mix this together here quick. And to that, how much whole wheat flour are we adding here?
A cup of wheat flour.
Yeah, whole wheat flour. Just mix this together till it's good and combined.
Until it's completely combined, yep.
And then we're going to sit it in a warm place for about 2 hours. Until it, doubles in size, as usual. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward pizza dough. Just as any other time you would make pizza dough, it would be, you'd let it sit and give enough time to proof or rise up, so.
You can always add more flour if it seems like it's too soft.
Yeah. Alright, well let's go ahead and do it, and then we will wait for the 2 hours here.
Okay.
Alright, I got some grilled chicken chunks here. What we're going to go ahead and do is cut them into small pieces here. Just enough that we have 3/4 of a cup. And Dave, I got to ask, what is your favorite type of dog?
My favorite type of dog?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know.
Since this is a dog themed episode.
I don't really have a favorite dog. I've never thought of that before.
I think you know mine.
Okay, what's yours?
Husky.
Husky, okay.
Yes. So yes, we're just going to cut these down into smaller bites here. And then we'll get ready to move on to the next step.
Okay.
Alright guys, we got a mini muffin pan going here. What I'm going to go ahead and do is take a brush here. And just coat the inside of each of the crevices here. Don't have to be necessarily pretty or anything like that with it. Just give each of them a nice coat. Alright guys, let's go ahead and roll out our pizza dough here before we get it into the pan. What I'm going to go ahead and do is sprinkle a little bit of the wheat flour from earlier down. Take our pizza dough. It's definitely pizza dough-like. It's a little more sticky. But in the end, it'll be a great treat for your 4-legged friends. And maybe some different people will like it too. I'm just going to go ahead and lightly coat this in. There we go. I think that's definitely going to be a big difference.
Okay.
Like I said, I'm just going to bring it into a little bit of a ball here. Looking pretty good here, Dave?
Looks good.
Okay. Then I'm going to put a little bit of the flour on our rolling pin here. Not sure how much you guys going to do here. And we're going to roll it out into, and we're going to cut, I think, what, 24 circles?
Yeah, we need 24 circles.
Okay. And any of the scraps, we can just roll it back into the ball here.
Correct. Let's do it again.
Yeah, just kind of take your time working the dough here. What do you think? I think that's a good starting position here, Dave.
Yeah, that looks pretty decent. Get it to where it's not snapping back. And
yeah, I think this is a good start here.
Mm-hmm.
And then, always fails, either use about a 2-inch size cup,
Mm-hmm.
or if you have a cutter, go ahead and use that as well. Unfortunately, whenever we went to get everything together for this recipe, we forgot to pack ours, so we're going to improvise with a can lid here.
Okay.
We've got 10 here.
Looks like it, yeah.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these into the pan here. And then we are going to get ready and make our pizzas.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so it looks like we got 20 here, so let's go ahead and get ready and fill our Doggie Pizza treats. Alright guys, let's go ahead and make our Doggie Pizzas here. I have our chicken, our cheese, and a can of pumpkin puree here beside me. What I'm going to do is add a little bit of the pumpkin puree to each of our circles here that we put in the muffin tins. Now you guys have seen before, we have made peanut butter pumpkin dog treats that Howie absolutely devoured. So this is a little bit of a shake-up and a fun treat to give your four-legged friend.
Okay.
Alright, I believe, as the kids say on the streets, these look banging. Let's go ahead and get these in the oven. Alright, now it's time for your dog's favorite part of the show, the taste test. So we got Howie, our special spokes dog, here today. So Howie, are you ready to try your treat?
Ooh. I think he likes that.
I'd say it's a hit. You dogs are going to love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food only on Baking with Foxhole Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.